Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y. So this is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that tan x next to y. This is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of Fn of cos x, and we have cos x. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So we know that tan x, that is about sin x over cos x. This one we have sin x. This one, this is about identities. So we have sin 2x. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y cos x. So the integration of that one, we have 1 over 2 cos 2x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.